Welcome to today's video where we'll be upgrading this lovely Ferrari with a new head unit. Now let's take a look inside and see what we've got. So here we are in the interior of this absolutely beautiful Ferrari California, and now we can see in person the head unit. So in this car we have gone for the Kenwood DMX 8021. Now that is a really high quality head unit and one we love fitting into these cars and many others like it. Now this is mainly due to the extra functionality that it gives you. For example, giving you full Bluetooth streaming, DAB radio, as well as retaining all your steering wheel controls. But most importantly, in my opinion, is adding in the function of wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, giving you your Google Maps, your Waze, your Apple Maps, as well as obviously your Spotify, Apple Music, everything you could possibly want in your car you have here. And it really helps to bring these cars up into the modern era and feel like a brand new car again. Now, as we come across these Ferraris, we do so many of them, unfortunately we do see lots of poor quality installs that aren't up to the CBS Automotive level. Now this is mainly due to the fact that there's not many kits readily available for cars like this, and people don't have the knowledge or the expertise or equipment to be able to produce them. Now here at CBS Automotive we do things a little bit differently. So for example, on this head unit, the way we design and build it is very different to others. Where other installers may just kind of put the head unit in without the proper bracketry or securing it in properly, we do things a little bit differently. So what that involves is actually designing and 3D printing a bracket that can go on to behind the head unit to secure it in place and fill in all the gaps properly. And now with the fascia as well, we also modify and customize it just to give that absolutely perfect look that you'd expect in any vehicle, but especially one like this. Now this client also opted to add in a reverse camera, a really popular upgrade to go along with the new head unit. So what this allows for, obviously with these kind of cars, the visibility isn't always the best. So what it allows for is extra help while parking and giving you that extra functionality and things that you just expect in a modern car, but bringing them into something of this age. And that's a really nice upgrade to have and something we fit all the time when we're fitting these head units. But also, if you've already got a reverse camera on your car, we can also retain that. So you're not going to lose any extra functionality. And on that note, we also want to just make a note that we do retain the factory steering wheel controls. So you still keep control of your volume and your skip track, where you can answer and decline calls. It's a really nice upgrade on here and one that we'd recommend to anyone having it. Now, again, at CBS Automotive, we do things a little bit differently and we'd like to go that extra mile just to get these things perfect. So what we've integrated into this upgrade is adding in a Ferrari logo on the boot up screen. So as soon as you turn your car on, you're greeted by the lovely prancing horse right on your dashboard. Now, if you're interested in an upgrade just like this on your Ferrari, do make sure you get in contact with myself and my team and we'll happily assist you. Now, I'm sure you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.